Hello students, welcome back to our e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, class 1, subject mathematics, and the topic we are going to study today is review worksheet. Students, this is your part 1 for the review worksheet. We will be doing review worksheet 8, which is on the last page of your course book. I have divided the worksheet into two parts for you to understand in a better manner. स्टूडेंट्स वर्कशीट को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया गया है सो दैट आपको वो अच्छे से समझ में आए एंड वी विल बी डूइंग रिव्यू वर्कशीट 8 इन दिस क्लास. आई एम Anukriti Gupta, your mathematics teacher, will be guiding you for the today's topic. Let us start with our revision work now. So students, what we did in our previous class, this is our quick revision of what we did in our previous class. Students, we revised calendar in our previous class and the topic and the exercise related to calendar. So here is the exercise part 2 of calendar, which was uploaded by the name exercise 3, calendar exercise 3. So in this question you can see we have discussed that in a year we have 12 months, and in 12 months the months are divided into weeks and weeks are further divided into days. So we generally have 4 weeks and the days are 7 in a week. So we were studying the same in the calendar part. हम लोग क्या पढ़ रहे थे कि एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं और 12 महीने में अलग अलग महीने डिवाइड होते हैं हमारे वीक्स में, और जो वीक्स होते हैं वो 4 होते हैं. एक वीक में 7 डेज होते हैं. the months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the 12 months in one year, and the number of days in month are 30 or 31. February is the exceptional month. February एक exceptional month होता है जिसमें 28 days होते हैं, but हर 4 साल बाद वो एक एक ईयर लीप ईयर जो कहलाता है वो ऐसा ईयर होता है जिसमें कि 29 डेज होते हैं. आफ्टर एवरी 4 years द ईयर वी कॉल्ड इज द लीप ईयर इन विच February has 29 days, and the total number of days in a year is 365, and in leap year we have 366 days because one day is extended because of February. So we studied, and the week have 7 days, and the 7 days starts from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So and Saturday is the last day and we again start from Sunday. So it begins from Sunday and it ends at Saturday. हमेशा सैटरडे संडे से स्टार्ट होता है वीक आपका और सैटरडे पे एंड होता है. सो फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक इज Sunday, which is in India or in your country or in your city might be a holiday. So in this exercise we did the same. We can have a random question revision, like each part you can see July comes just after dash, means July किसके बाद आता है. So we can recall it like January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So you can see June के बाद आपका क्या आया, July. So we have written June. Yes. So next is J part. Dash is the last day of the week. So we studied what is the last day of the week. So first day is Sunday, carrying it forward to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the last day will be Saturday. Okay. Then February has 28 days. Why 28 days? Why it is not a leap year? Because we have chosen the calendar which was given on page number 112. जो calendar 112 पेज नंबर पे दिया था उसको देख करके हमने ये fill किया है. So there are the number of months that have 30 days is 4. There are 4 Mondays in April and there are 4 Sundays in July. And also we learned about studying a calendar, how to read a calendar perfectly. So this is all we did in our previous class. In by exercise 3, till the end of exercise 3 you must be knowing how to read a calendar, what are uh, the months in a year and how many days are there in a month, what is a leap year, and how do we calculate or how do we read a calendar. Okay, let's move forward to our today's topic now, which is our revision worksheet. So for better understanding, the revision worksheet is all about the topics we have already studied. Revision worksheet उन topics के बारे में है जो हम already पढ़ चुके हैं. So now we have our new topics, or we can say we have our old topics in a new manner or new questions, and these are divided into 4 or 3 parts. We have only 4 or 3 parts of one topic. Total number of question in the worksheet is 6. So we have divided into 3 and 3. Part 1 will be having 3 and part 2 will be having 3 questions. Question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 we will be doing today. Students, question number 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हम आज करने वाले हैं. वर्कशीट में टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस है 6 और हमने उसे 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया है. तो हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3 आज करेंगे एंड वी विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट इज पैटर्न, लॉन्ग फॉर्म एंड इन एडिशन वी विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि एडिशन कैरी के साथ हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. Okay, so it is very important to read the pattern and long form because as I have received the feedback that you are having problem in long form. So we will be discussing long form in elaborated manner. Here we can see an addition is a process of finding the total or sum by combining of two numbers, digits and values. So when we combine two numbers or digits or values, so whatever the answer we are getting, we call it as sum. And why we call it sum? Because when we add two numbers, we call the answer as sum. When we multiply two numbers, we call the answer as products. When we means anything, any different arithmetic operation is done, so हम उसे different चीज़ें बोलते हैं. But जब भी हम प्लस करते हैं तो उसको हम सम बोलते हैं. जो आंसर आता है हमारा वो कहलाता है सम. सो एडिशन करने पे हमेशा हमें सम मिलता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज पैटर्न. पैटर्न आपको कैसे समझ में आएगा? पैटर्न एक सीरीज होती है जिसमें कि आप देखते हो कि एक नंबर छूटा है, 2 नंबर छूटे हैं, 3 नंबर छूटे हैं, या फिर कोई एक पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न चल रहा है. वी आर हैविंग ओनली ऑड नंबर्स और इवन नंबर्स. एक एक नंबर छोड़ छोड़ के आ रहा है या एक एक नंबर स्किप कर करके आ रहा है, या फिर एक नंबर या 2 नंबर्स को हम उसमें ऐड कर करके नेक्स्ट सीरीज कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. ऑल्सो इन पैटर्न्स यू कैन सी कि हमारे पास बैक काउंटिंग भी आती है जिसमें कि हम वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एनी नंबर एंड वी कैन गो लाइक इन द बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन ऑफ द सीरीज. तो हम उसको बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग की तरह लिखते हैं. ऑल राइट, फॉर लॉन्ग फॉर्म हम ये क्विक रिवीजन कर रहे हैं बेटा. वी विल बी रिवाइजिंग इट इन इलेबोरेटेड फॉर्म इन आवर further classes. In our revision work we will be taking individual topics. So today we are just having a quick revision because we have to do our revision worksheet. So long form is when we break the number into long number. Like if we are having 115 115 and we are breaking it as 100, मतलब 100 की सीरीज लिखी प्लस टेंस 10 प्लस 5 वंस के प्लेस पे. वंस टेंस और हंड्रेड्स में अगर हम उसे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं सो दैट इज आवर लॉन्ग फॉर्म. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम उसी लॉन्ग फॉर्म को शॉर्ट करके लिखते हैं, बट इन लॉन्ग फॉर्म हम उसे तोड़ तोड़ के बड़ा करके लिखते हैं. सो लेट अस हैव अ more detailed study about addition. How is addition done? So you can see this picture. In uncarry method or we follow some steps. हम कुछ steps को follow करते हैं. वो steps क्या है? We add unit digit first. ठीक है, हम पहले यूनिट डिजिट को जो हमारी वंस प्लेस पे होती है उसको ऐड करते हैं. जब उसका जो भी नंबर हमें जो भी हमें सम मिलता है उसका जो वंस पार्ट होता है हम वंस के नीचे ही लिखते हैं. जो उसका टेंस पार्ट होता है हम उसको कैरी कर देते हैं. कैरी मीन्स हम किसी और की तरफ उसको ऐड करने के लिए ऊपर लिख देते हैं. लाइक इन द एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी in the picture given here. In the example you can see 1 is the carry out number. When we added 7 plus 8 we got 15. So 15 का 5 हमने यहाँ लिखा क्योंकि वो वंस प्लेस पे था और वन टेंस प्लेस पे 1 था तो हमने उसे कैरी कर दिया. नाउ 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8 is 14. सो जब हमने 14 देखा, 14 के बाद हमारे पास कैरी नंबर था 1. सो वी एडेड 1 to 14. तो आंसर क्या हो गया 15. सो टोटल सम हमारा क्या आया 115. एंड देन वी ऐड टेंस डिजिट and of all numbers and add carry to get the final answer. ये आपको सबको पता है. We have already done carry sums. So by now we all know how to do carry. This is addition is done in some form. Let us now have a look at the questions also, because in our revision worksheets we are having questions. So we will have a look at questions, how the question is. But today we will be having only pattern and long form. We will be doing addition in our next class, so I will be repeating addition with carry in our next class also. So this is review worksheet 8 part 1. The first question is write 151 to 160, 151 to 160. We have to write the counting only. So I have solved the first part for you. So you will be doing the second part by yourself, because this is a revision worksheet. You must know how to do it. Okay. So here you can see 151, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 160. You have to complete the counting 2 times. So I have also mentioned it as your homework. Now comes the long form. Write in long form and also write the number names. So 115. We broke the number into long form. हमें इसे long form में लिखना है. So 100 place पे 1 है, so we have written 100. Plus 10th place पे 10 है, so we have written 10. Plus 1st place पे 5 है, so we have written 5. So what is the answer? 115. Similarly you can see 100th place पे आपका 1 है, so we have written 100. Plus 10th place पे आपका 0 है, so we will write 0. Plus 9 at 1's place, so the number name for this will be 109. So students, you will be solving C and D part, and we will be discussing it in our next class. For pattern we have 163. We have skipped. Next will be 165, 167. So the pattern is we have skipped one number in between. 164 skip हो गया, then 65. 166 skip हो गया, then 67. Then we will be skipping 168. We will write 169. We will be skipping 170, then 71. We will be skipping 172, 73. We will be skipping 174, then 75, and so on up to 181. So students, we are doing this in a bit hurry because I want you to do it yourself, as this is the review worksheet and you are supposed to do it by yourself, so that we can know what is the problem or what is the topic you are unable to understand, right? So we are only doing 3 questions by now. Tomorrow we will be doing 4, 5 and 6 questions. If you are facing, I don't think so that you will be facing any problem in patterns or long form, but if you're facing any problem, please mention it and we will be doing that particular topic in our individual class and not in the form of worksheets. Let's move to our next section, which is your homework section. Practice the worksheet given to you by solving it in your maths copy. You have to solve this worksheet in your maths copy. Why you have to solve this in your maths copy? Because then only you will be able to understand it more properly, how to write it in your exams also. तभी आपको समझ में आएगा बहुत अच्छे से कि एग्जाम्स में भी कैसे सॉल्व करना है, एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग मिक्स क्वेश्चंस, नॉट ओनली ऑफ वन टॉपिक, एक ही टॉपिक के नहीं बट अलग अलग टॉपिक के मिक्स क्वेश्चंस आपके पास आ सकते हैं. So you have to practice them, and in your maths copy you can write them or you can practice them. Anything you want to do regarding any of the topic given in our books, calendar, time, anything you want to do, but for today you will be doing the worksheet part only. Thank you for listening to me very carefully and have a nice day.